What up, everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Tuck Notes Beginner Stock Talk. My name's Tuck, and I'm your host for tonight. It seems like I'm the host every night, at least 5 or 6 times a week. LOL, joke, haha. Anyways, I'm going to be talking about tonight. We'll be getting into 2 top cryptos. Altcoins that are on the up and coming. And so the first one I'm going to talk about is called I can't pronounce it right, but just go with the flow. And then I'll spell it. Saitama Inu. It's spelled Saitama like Shiba Inu, but this is a Saitama. And I will talk about whether you should buy the dip on this, the price predictions, projections, actions, and yeah. So let's just dump into it. So what is Saitama Inu? I have a hard time saying it. Basically, it's a crypto coin that helps. What their goal or project is to help help understand money for people, and to create their own wealth opportunities from all around the world, everywhere around the world. It's basically like how to finance your money and then how to create your own wealth. And that's kind of where we're going into 2022 is like me. I'm trying to become a professional YouTuber, right? But it doesn't happen overnight. You gotta start working your way up. I've got my 125 subscribers. I had one for months. And that was my dad, and never watched one video. So anyway, this coin right now is sitting, I believe, the coin's sitting at, give me 1 second and I'll tell you to you. But it's one of those coins that's like Shiba, where it's like it's so far away from 1 cent that there's a lot of volatility. It's a high risk, high reward type of thing. And you want to be careful with what you're doing. And it just had a little run up, SAIT. And here we go. So it's down 34%. But that 34% could not, when you get to numbers like this, it might not be a big jump, but here, check it out. It had a run up, and now this area right around here this area, this is a 1 month chart. Right here is your price area to buy in. That little valley right there. That's when you want to get in. And so you can get this on Coinbase, as you can see. And it's currently at, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's 8 digits, and the last 2 are 1, 0. I'm not going to go 0, 0, 0, 0. There's 8 digits total. So there's 6 zeros and then 1 and then a 0. And it had a high where it went up to, same thing, 6 zeros, 1 7. And now it's cooling off majorly. Like, look at that. Look how erect that is. But look at how it went down. It went from up here 17 to 7. So It's risky, but there's a lot of a catalyst coming up soon, and so Twitter's been blowing it up, promoting it, that there's this massive DeFi wealth opportunity that's going to be happening in Las Vegas tomorrow, I believe, or the next day. And so that can, like, you know, buy the rumor, sell the stock or whatever. It has a market cap of $4 billion. That's a good sign. Social media can do a lot to help this stock by talking about it, and any positive news will help this stock go up. There also is a massive catalyst come up soon that they're creating their own wallet, so that will create more into this certain coin. But we could see a bounce in the next week or two, or in the next few days, as a lot of you know what's about to happen. If you don't, there will be a huge jump in the stock market and the crypto market over the next 2 weeks. Shiba, now, so that's that stock. Check it out on coinmarketcap or something like that. But next one is Shiba Inu, and Shiba was at is 4 zeros and then 5288. The high was 4 zeros and 8885. The low was 4 zeros 5686, and it closed at 4 zeros 6896. There's a resistance between 4 zeros 8758 and a resistance below at 0.40 5283. So if you can get a buy somewhere in between these numbers, you'd be good, and just go on the run up. If you can buy it in between 0.40 00004773 or 00002383. Between there is your money spot. It's expected to be listed on Robinhood next year, or it could happen anytime soon. And when that happens, Shiba's going to bounce up. It could reach a cent. You don't know. And there's rumors that possibly Tesla could be accepting Shiba Inu. Rumors, but you never know. Seems like Elon always is trying to help out the people that don't have the most money, and the Doge holders are becoming the winners over the Bitcoins. And this is going to be the same thing, but an Ethereum side. It's in a descending triangle right now. If you looked on a graph, it's like going like a descending triangle. I can't do it with my fingers, but typically, like I've said in a lot of videos, at the end of the year, November and December, and specifically the last 5 days of December and the first 2 days of January, but last week it went into like January 10th, were the highest highs of the stocks and crypto. So keep that in the back of your mind. I expect the Bitcoin to be hitting $100,000 by the end of the year. So we'll see a massive pump in Bitcoin or Ethereum. And after that, it'll go, all the money, smart money will move into the altcoins, and the altcoins will blast up. So, keep an eye. If you bought into Cat Girl or the one I'm talking about right now, Saitama, it can explode really soon, and then we get closer to Christmas, it shall get higher. This is just, historically speaking, the stock market has always rallied up in December and November. Microsoft's a great example. I made that in a video yesterday. So this is what I have to give you guys. I hope you have a great night. Follow me on YouTube at Tuck Notes and on Instagram at TuckerMLO for information regarding Doge and code. Love you guys. Late.